but when
you say Mary.
Mary.
What so Mary?
What is
Mary?
Upon Chile Cotre.
What do you have to be see one body, Mary?
Number co one.
Next time is when we get your mumu. Mary are the moo. Hey, County, congratulations.
Thank you.
Edra, who said Ken Ofori Atta the no Cóurt from 2023. Nakoti cobra. Adjournment in Kwaye 18 times. Ken Ofori Atta see her 3 times. Na judge now what na 7 no so no. We are appeals court judge. And I'm say Chief Justice Ama Wamumu Biaba High Court say Wamu Meshe. To ma create afternoon porter no. Was afternoon court today. Adjournment in him. To Amu Friday is that he has a pretty no way. Lawyer say me nya contact with him. Was it kai? Aha nya adjournment. Okay. Kawasem. Okay. Ada Captain lawyer so sorry and wakan asem. Was it nipa no yaba wo waste your time you hunu ni ade. My lord, I don't know bogumaye. My lord said by court. Wakutu no dia to was here the case is struck. Onya kwa no oba no person kokko to be mo otimeko. Enti congratulations. Now me say media general was first and then you are second. Media general na ne rep ni ho. But who no obi be representative. I don't say who no o rep abenti no.
Sir
Ken Ofori Atta pia 5,000. Emma never go shema wa no ka.
Ken Ofori Atta dem ka.
Okay,
na ya mama before say no edran so na ye wie ajapade issue no CMC etijambo 13th May ye start sa case no move here the pop Dabi on the case on the wonga ho
that's all chini bam
Dabi obo na de obi na de me akọ edu de me twen no ye be shase
o pese case mbuwie ni ntemu a no e Ken Ofori Atta dance here
Dabi
you know dance here so problem be dance
no this no on to rate nonsense Dabi
Japade so no man wonsa no Japade
oh that's it yeah say you be sorry no who dey that with
me ka ofia say Donald Trump busa Ofori Atta say obekọ Ghana ana won se le soja atare ko Iran obechusu Iran
why
Ken Ofori Atta is it Donald Trump busa say obese okọ Ghana ana men se soja atare ko Iran kokondokwa obechusu Iran
Adinsa
na wa over oh
busia ho Japade wa
say near wo ye nti no wo ya we move fa no Cóurt we move na Ato Forson ye de no Córt wo fi say hwan na me de no Córt wo fi say hwan
say Ken
at a point kwa bribe a witness so on konkodia dance crew mu etia Ato Forson ye fa no kotum
ambulance issue
what yes Sammy magwe nyina wie afi usuro ada usuro say obi wako poti obi so media dance crew mu dabi eto baba wo bra na ayi OSP dia no so dia baby sase adena NPP fo ya na from last year what we say OSP empam no NPP fo including MPs ada wo mu call Ken Ofori Atta fie ani ade MPs sorry ye afele markets mu ina ga say office no Owusu ni relevance enti ebe kra yen scrap office no ko Facebook na kokotwe NPP fo nyina yen cross office no yen pamu kisi Agyapong ani ade all of a sudden U10 atenti no musuro say Attorney General be take over the cases. Do you know why? Now special prosecutor to me the 78 charges to nipa back so no the Córt to mu I say my withdraw charges no say me the 29 charges anaba e wo mu anu I withdraw. I mean what kind of legal gymnastics ni et almost say Attorney General there Justice Israel oh yes serious utie komo lunch of 150 anniversary of Supreme Court. Wamushaya or Molanchino, Uti Justice Ramsay. That day I'm who said Kwanabi. Wabi papa.
Now we were here. Dominic away.
Dominic, or no, your friend of master tactician. What I say? Share prosecution. Justice Ramsay, a lady. I no. Or bo ye can say information no actually. At the piano. Near Mubaya de Pano, no appeal Mubako, sanity. Prosecution, there always no Jama deputy, no deputy near. Na ye, unlike a Tama Grofred Baya or no Unkalaki is grand no Kwaku Kyeremanteng, I don't know, Debbie. It had that Tony Jenankas of Kwaku Cóurt. No, Judge Nankasa Grato, who said, I same with you, a mood. So on it, you know. And Sabe Pepe, and it here. Captain, 500 Okoja, Yajinania veteran.
Oh,
Okoja 5,000. Ya yeti, ya near veteran home.
Maybe on fat.
Share. Obeki Casas.
I'll find children.
Obeki Casas. Yeah, Kwaku was a share. Yavema.
Before.
What did I do?
Friends. Any of the years, my. Into the packet to an alleged. Now, ya in Kaidum, na debi. Ya de Ato say, ye finance minister be. Not is Ubani, Nansen training be car, Nasem. No, Ganija, Asemono. Dear board car 5,000. Now, one Kwaku I dance anyway.
On Cóurt.
Damn Kwaku.
Was somebody you, dear, come once a while, come once a mail through your weak case. I
want to grab the camera, lawyer, my do me, Mike.
Yes, stuck in the item.
I don't know, Owusu, me MP, no.
Is that
some war trouble, and then a birthday.
Hey,
you may too.
Mammy.
On a draw for issue. Now, my bonato.
I don't why they.
O de nrui say obi anu o kope oba we ni be ma kire no enti dani dura me kan kire o na ko tu fu
o so obi anu o kope oba ere
o ko so oba pa no de kai o tebi atu nse me tebi mu bi ebi atu
ni tebiani ede tebiani ede
anu de be disi
tebiani ede
Tebia
Obema ede
Obema wo
okote sense na person
afi na wo gasem no
o kan so we
o se ka nipadua ho
on kan bone
wo se obi eni ho a wo kopo ba
wo yi ni ka
adanya sa na wo kai
ba match ni duru ho a
ani be mu
ube hu nti duru ho a
ke kalti MP na ba be hu no
oh you to look at oko
o say me feel when the constituency
na mercy pass
madam fo
oko so no ton fools ni ade o kantamanto nto san ko yesa
so kwa akomadan na jai maame na sema no
oh akomadan no de me say so makwa ye dam no aye ye school na maya me mentana happy
da be David o me organizer no akomada o
oh say yami di organizer no what kumasi
eso di
ana akomadan say Ghana ana captain megasa
kumasi de ka say executive meeting of 5 flight plan wo ba wo
na akomada
o Friday o be 5 free
meba
o be free akomada be du kumasi na meeting na pon
oh there be masada meba
Kaji
senior
Bawumia say Ghana democracy is under attack. Na
say the reason me
tell you no.
Me njin this all kind.
Oh, one can say what can you? What name the reason?
Debbie, and I'm talking no.
Yeah, Checheni party for.
Yeah.
Yeah, Checheni party for.
What say?
Yeah, Checheni party for. That democracy is under attack.
Debbie, man, no mic no. Pacho, sound for me checking the microphone.
Yes.
Bawumia say.
O say dey.
Aban Checheni party for anti democracy is under attack.
Okay. Me ma on trust so train. Eya koyemi say NDC president Ebugana che NPP president. I say NDC when I dear mampeni ni na bedi yechiri ewo memu ha no wo Bugana emra eni Ghana o man no che NPP. One, Rollins called National Reconciliation Commission.
That's right.
As a former president, he was overhauled. Yes, subpoena. He was subpoenaed to appear before the National Reconciliation Commission.
Yeah.
Pachomwa. Good. John Dramani Mahama. Huh? One copy of charge. And I'm ready.
Special prosecutor and supra evadino.
Office a hono. The special prosecutor here also CA. And also invited John Dramani Mahama in capacity said day. SSA answer the special prosecutor we umbegu no. Me sama Canada say begu. Umbegu no so. Ese Bawumia ko.
Na se so mo sukra petition no on Bawumia o.
Said the be ya. Baby kuna Bawumia di nanu kosua mienu we ko hu poalugu dam no. Ama IGP di na chi no akokira IGP. Asabu ni fi o. Bawumia na no say or share projector womo ba be mo ma ye signature project one northern Ghana kotena obi show so asempa the biggest one monumental since independence project since independence ye Pualugu dam Bawumia di nani mienu no ko hu Pualugu dam no say si wo awahi. But Bawumia and Nkrumah free. By now, as a so be, me intro. By now, as a so be a petition, Yoko. By now, as a so be a petition, your friend is saying, Shaj. Nanka, you invite me to solve a car.
Shaj, you don't call her was a kitchen.
Nanka, what's me the name you know. Petition in Yasha, ye pesi who may be a Pualugu dam no, esi, yanka so obia disika, yanka so obia wiesika. Yes, say one or can say esi ho kakraka. Enti wo de yesrew, do mama, me land cruises. Ye refa from Akotwe no Pualugu. Now no so Ghana Armed Forces, omonto helicopter mono, ye de bebo from, ye fa ne mesi ho kukurutum. Na yendi na chi. Na on kotre. And na ye che wan.
That's the party for
Boy.
Number one, a dear Obubon. Say, Yachi won to me.
Oh,
hey, now won to me answer.
Debbie one casa.
Oh, what am I body neighbor? Was he Yachi won to me? Won to me, didn't know much. Cases in your baby. Yes, illegal mining. Any other. Yes, so I could just be so the coyer for no any mini cacao or no assem crowd and young court says illegal money than never court. I will moody myself. What's your brother? I brought your chair channel. Obiani, we say, or cancer, F. IGP home. A cancer much as a dugun and more senior the other. I don't know. Latest one, yes, or Casafa, a second kill
Adenta,
Judge, aha. Any a honsensem, I know the chain, or until walk I know more a chain. Yea, me one. A year, Sunyani boy, Baba Mando, our mocheno. Eh, and Bawumia, what you Nanka, we are vice president. Na LGBT kills and semi near the LGBTQ colors ayata the Ashel wig at Daniel or bar. Niaka said them and society. Will you be happy? Heading non quano, etchere ni opes worker. Okay, we say, oh, now what do you be the president? I am not for refer to oh, Anna Akusia cartoonist and tilapia or Modiano. Captain, one fat or person captain someone. One fat captain picture. And or bed draw who the new say. So on yet, I don't know, dear. It is permitted. Obia or ye cartoon, and the year ye biano, Obia the hobbit my papa channel. So why a cartoon tea, yacho. Then also before a picture. Then yellow Photoshop. A young sardina. A president. No aqua share the wig. I mean, again. How should we tolerate this in this country? Adidja. Eti some move na a policy for year no. In fact, almost save this country. Share or che guy no. One nessa pictures in the dome wall nyina make kokko share o ma delete nyina.
Na wo ya be ma
o ma delete nyina. Look, Ghana police should be proactive. This country will move forward. They say NPP boys, the way no more shapes are pictures, you know. Yet cheap baba mando nigi na ira system. What's it? Because of that, Ghana democracy is under attack. Eh? Share, Captain, I'm going to prove something to them. Say, you omuke kani ginano. Eyense muhunu no mukano. Eyense muhunu. Me ba be mao. Ayi. Na omo ena Michael Kwe Jr. ase. Se meba. Bedam kwa so bai. Ana Michael Kwe Efremi Jr. Anu ase ohun me interview bi a me granted nra osremi. Wono ojitu mu se bibi ankoyi. But mami mfa ho abufu. Enko that tangent.
And I am ase no time na wo mo yen sa no no wo yen.
What can you know? Madam you say like wadwene ho wakanya nsa se matrem. Enti no ene mekono low Ato Forson na mekono. Menkono high. Captain, between 2017 and 2024, Ghana experienced several notable incidents of harassment and arrest.
We
Obiango harassment between 2017 and 2024. Ebe yaba. Sabreno. 2019, 2 journalists from modern Ghana were arrested and harassed. Yemmanuel Adjafo and Yemmanuel Britum. Yet Chiwomu by national security. And one was tied and tortured. Under Bawumia. I don't know why when the democracy was under attack.
City FM boy.
2020, David Tamaklu of WhatsApp News. Yacheno, say Kwaku publication. Emma chese omudi ni tumwa chese eje ize.
Nkonyo Edubiase.
Edubiase Circuit Court. Aha. So 2020.
That's okay. That's it no he.
Omo fa no nkran.
Omo chi na gra.
Enti na bo tell the was na chim. Nipa the journalist in Ghana for. NPP for chin nkran. No matter the court be yan.
New Edubiase.
Is
it tam ni fin nkran. And the court new Edubiase court.
Lawyer.
There do be a fi sunyana background say NTP.
Lawyer we gina mu ye lawyer Amankwa. Asante Bediatuo NDC lawyer no. So is it lawyer Owusu? Nidino Amankwa.
Yes. Okay, 2020. President Akufo Addo held a speech for Parliament. I'm saying the state of the nation. That time Kofi Addo ma ngwangwani. Now on the director of can say news. Angel,
yes. Right.
And what can say? President. The speech no kwa komano. Assembly say Anna obeka. In fact, President Goka no. Net dem pepepe. Yache no. So much train entia.
Yeah, we know some information. Remember. Sanka umbo mi dinka dia mayo.
I say oba do so.
Di was so.
News editor. I just say odo akase we mesi IAC ye no. Ye che no. Under Bawumia democracy was not under attack. Noah dem Addo deputy station coordinator ma can say Adan radio Sabokai. Or more brutalizing no papa under Bawumia. Well, share. Aya World Freedom Day. Ye jina ye hu ye under Akufo Addo. Send ye wo mo assault to journalists. E twi wo mo fom. Ye jina ye hu bi e wo promise. That would him. GJA president. No say between 2019 and 2023, and that from 2019 to 2023, journalists are assault to womo, echi womo, eje oma yaka de nkwa na ye 45. 45. Under Bawumia, democracy was not under attack. If you ya Captain Smart upon the show. What free studio has he? What I had to move? Near one national cruiser, near the local, or look at it 4 times or say. Near the local, just like that. That time, democracy was not under attack. And me just say, oh, share the way near Masekwa. No. 2024, prior to election 2024, look at how people were brutalized in this country. Fire was so Westward and Tunchai. Election 2020, how people were killed in this country. Innocent people. Democracy was not under attack. Never do how to say also a chromazeo. No. I just have freedom of speech into also I know become Biatu near Jawa Honumusa. And he said media no show subject Bawumia into strict fact check. Now otchere near Emma sa arresi attack on democracy. As is what me chere. Of can samfu ye kwaso e gogo wa ban mu. Onu me de. Na you okay. Then you okay. There are some notable ones it's not even documented. What can say yes pano celebi Akufo Addo twam na ye wa hu ne omde ye no. Mo che no kokoloko no. Demu madichi afa achire oh I'm not interested. Enso oboa ya discipline awie. What you say? Your discipline awie. Sammy Mbagwe nyina ekoso ase. Me say NPP. That for the next 30 years, Ghana for should do well. Said they should not come close to power. Kwaku Annan, forgive me. I thought that not your fault.
That's how you haven't said anything.
I thought that not your fault.
Because I know young point. Yesterday, be about complaining. Say, Papa. What time no? And so
supposed to follow the na.
There be a never point 11:30.
Oh, me fees over 12.
And
later. 11:30. Eh? So what time on the buy we eat breakfast am?
Na me better.
What time now the buy?
First me ba. What me dey me ba.
Say you am breakfast. Where the breakfast?
That I can't you me coffee am.
Until when you drink coffee. Eti ya ba ma wune.
That's no Ghana no credit.
Me see. I'm fan called than NGO because
ya ba ma ananya wuna na minimu no.
Me say now you give it to me enso.
Enti na wo nya me one. Then na ma ko ndisi.
Wa pesa ni hwia. Me kai 2016. 2016. Aka be 6 months. Ama ya to aba.
Ba ansa na be cause Sammy ukwache.
Sammy ye minua.
Nti mbisa se wo mu na che.
O ye minua me enya amanyo 17 na wo pe obi asem wa. Naturally me pe Sammy asem.
But onim se waja NPP.
Onim da.
Okay, to say.
2016 aka be 6 months Sammy Ato aba. Na me papa national chairman no ye general secretary. Na ofre me phone so. No, say me ya be man because I'm mbachai. Esi ehia na where am me won cry. Ehia okumase na okate no. Edra ni was afre make me aba. Am mbachai. You could do no say me ba me tie a lot na me dey wo mu. Na so boy na win election we am say papa emfa. Mo be lose. Ti me mba no constituency be 33. NDC de ombe luzu, including Atebubu Amanti. Sata mna ntokwa kura nhyase ye. Onza me na na do moko near arise and build to okay.
Yeah.
Me no moko sa to no ntibizu ekodura na ba kwete nipa no mudin na metie form.
20 days na arise for change.
To no na emienu ye ko arise and build and ye ko arise for change.
Okay.
When you do Techima will be an another phone.
Aha.
Wakai. Aha. Edinti, the catcher national chairman said, Mube Luzuno.
James Wante.
Or ye di kakra. And I say, Nanado Abreu. And our captain may catch me church in the moo. And Maso, not 33 constituents in the moo 3 pet and almost survive.
Almost 30.
30 in our coy. And was a frame with you. And was a million crack for pa. Nko bia. Kobeka so mumpe bibi man fanko ye djuma. Ba ono do obetimi atumi fo ne se. Minjai NPP meka omo ho. Na me amehu medachi. Me bia kwa kudu. Nti akoma dara me fi obobom pinfo bi wo ho. Na o se kro ba bi na se afa dro ba kro from. Won so obobom nkofo bi din wo ho. Say papa yi okay metie no the captain menzo mi school is emonye na enhamen so kra because general akase school and pepa jimie njero de enye ma asem na say bi mako university farish omotuom ena omode ko yenu ya moti bonko fo yi bi na omoye de mo ko pa aduma obi akọ university awie otewa ma obi ansi school dem da on kan bible bona po esi wo ye maimu a ana ebintu ye okoro we ndi oluman no se o yawo me de me stand ni NDC enka opposition enti ewuo ni enkwani de openo fa se mo ba bem ni anso ya na do in mpo I'm papa made mochi. In December kaya first 3 months. Omubeyi Anas number 12 no. Na me call Mumiamu UTV was a manu mo se me campaign ma NPP. To mo fam born in Jemi. Na me ko pem baby tonight. Ti adam so ma me ko di in the farms for 4 good years. E ko boa no.
So ya se nu nkete na ma oba ndisi.
Obia no obetuma ka se on na convince me se memra. Ena wan frame so say omo power no was me madwane omo. Omo power no was me mo omo. Na aka 6 months na me so me lose. Omo lose power no frame. Ni enso na na do input. Enti ohun bi different.
NDC lose 2016 elections.
Yes.
Na say do get here freo. When lose election.
No say NDC in no position forever. In the member boom, near Samra power. Now, when you say 2024 election, no, in some be on Kafa transport won't be an Oba farms who are no matter papa, move away, some way, you know. Moon can say about Buamo, Munyeri say. To my Pablo, Giorgio Parado, the Mekan working committee, no.
Yes, yes.
Wow. Enti na obedi deputy organizer no.
Oh medi. Enti papa no won. Me mom die me bompa ye say ye nane no masalachi hon no. What you say? Say Tim Allah Wakubaru. No, be a person of Pompire, now Hornet doesn't sound. David. You have a Pompire is what energy. Now, Captain, or more one Namu University, area political scientist in the hope I could see you get the Well,
university now.
Dear me, Mahunti.
A whole university. Because political science. Could you say, don't get edgy? I just go, I just get you and
go just school fees. Second school fees, the young man, that's what you're not meeting.
Now, before I said, don't get you ever fraud. Waja a hodiano.
Baby, now some way to walk with Jandam. Anna, dear, who bought me a year, you know. Why? Ya the baby or Munti, men come with the so. My boy, Papa, can you hear? Oh, Hopeson, water raging. So that young friend is you. Men come with the so.
Sir, those that me go close here. No. 2028, me go be original too. Me kind of video so. Me go be original.
Everyone be a cry. Maybe be in 2027.
What I'm saying is, and that's what be the keke. And it was a serious and tedious work. And we are going to do it to make sure that people get access. Okay. I'm telling you.
So I brought the issue, no promising 2023 November, but I will do 2024. You 2025.
Say what kind of effect be?
Let's say effect any
effect. Me can pay.
You pay details no.
You can in 2028.
2020 they say
2028.
Oh, there be a Kwawa. But only I don't have respect to say why you're within the national security architecture. You want to say you will you be a national security? You want to say dang onka.
That the try using mention that security be ayo. As someone make a be you like a secret.
We shall say me my onka.
Say because I thought I want to be provoked. No matter how I say that be. Ochinanti. One with the aha. Ochinanti. Captain. Bet you may be one chapter be say. One shall will be collapse here. Won't you mean any hubium? I'm telling you.
And the individual chapter and say
serious issues.
However, you answer more.
Serious. It's not me catch up. Me I told another. And you don't tell what I was. Hey, we are not be manoa. I said, remember who? With date.
Time.
I bet you man verify at any moment. Please. Hey, mom, you should not dare. Let me know. But be a and I'm saying no. As I said, apart from Bibiano, as I said, Oma and Crawford respect a sense of maturity. They are near Kika media and they say Kikana Bawumia Motihoya attack. I don't know, they say a public any secret. 2016 elections. Akufo Addo be na nutung ekache Bawumia say or dedicate election no ma Hopeson Adorye. Akufo Addo security for hwe nyina be confirm sade win. Let's go see saying. Leti never be ho no ma ya na.
And now the mouse so make sure say we deliver.
Oh. Share Akufo Addo despite say ma dwane nyina. No say. Obi ka sembi na etiano pa toda. Me feel it. Because don't have the man no. Unlimited level.
Nana.
Akufo Addo. Unlimited. No be a me people so Germany me unti me jai. Aba. What you say?
Ba also kram person bisa dem pa answer ma onso jai.
Me jai ne.
Ujai
MPP no.
Kawan pe.
Na some people there.
So jai is no by. And was I
Ejai. Ejai me na me jai. Omo pa mom.
How?
That's a public record. That was release statement no anya bi. 20th November 2020.
No, sanka no cry still up so tana ka.
Me ya guys me birthday. Omo ya de na na ka se omo release you. And I say, General Secretary, so my birthday, bench of
the bench.
NPP, former NPP from 1992 up to that day. NPP released a statement and opata. Then maybe a midday and I said, you but your time, no. Now, Momo ye impeding for former General Secretary, former Minister, former Communicator. Now, Hopeson, maybe they need the kind. From 1 minute to the point is now you see we are maybe another job is a strategic. What is it? Omunya strategic. Now I feel that some opposition I feel near to some kind of tactical way 2028 nyango poye adomnie nyina wa hondi mu a that time adomu behu ya kan say angaza look share most of the things NPP were doing to win power ebi frame ya bitimi da na ma process ya de na me drop no ha me sade we wa boni say ni ekọ kwa mu ne no Ashanti region na vote na babum
arefon wo ka che wo ya
mo free
ade bi e course 22 the course 2004 the course 2016 the course 2020 you be the same thing 2028
Captain who is
there na hwe se on betimi survive ya
Captain 2024 a simple strategy no 2024 no simple strategy and the dismantle obono what are they because look I can say it without any fear previous years additional ballot papers are now a Ashanti region.
There's a million.
Yet to take the candidates. At the Owusu. I come we are come. Mengaze 2028. I come and ye come myself. Yet to take the candidate. You will be on so. Yet the boys go to hotel. Tom printers are. Tell me, or Tom printed 300 NPP are no at Tom printed by 10. And this
is where I would be good box. Party agent you'll be one from Koto
example. What can I say? NPP time. Ada. What's on go to our first one? Ada. MC. Second one. Yeah. They call me. Can't they not get about me? That's an airport.
They called me.
Don't worry.
Let's say I could do
what number no? Me refi number no. What the example? What
my any random.
What number bia NDC assembly members who yet the almost is MPP there so na kakra akwa dwene you vote here no and it's okay no problem into omuto a number no na constant and I'm say ebeko ye bekwa ye don't worry and you share date counting ye ko no ye get a ballot box free how ya twitwa tum ya na kama there you na bo hu dia kwakosi esi political money eko ana wamudu ko si honum papa omuwie ane ma boy ba ko tam box na na police volunteer ya ko si kanu ya twa he mu na botre ye kwa ko fa ba ne ye de ne de ko si o up to now adam for non te say omu nim ne ba ya
enti se ba na o si police in kwa box no so police so na beti ase ya ko
Obuma that na makwa ko wie Medina de no But in that no day it was simple. Ya ntwam.
Eh mpo. Pastor your friend with you. Somebody be here. Ya me ya do me china. Ya be to aso. Koye women organizer duma. Ya be see ya be share ya me shout. Pastor bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.